Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Auto Reframe feature on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to library here, and I'm going to go and select a video like this one. So for instance, I want to upload it on TikTok, and I don't want the hassle to like crop this by myself, and I wanted to just reframe it based on my video, and I think it's going to follow the object. This is a pro feature, so go to video right here. And there's going to be an auto reframe menu. You're going to select that. You're going to select the original ratio. I'm going to select the 9:16 one because I want to upload it on TikTok. You can adjust the image stabilization. You can select stable, camera moving speed, fast, normal, or slow. I'm going to use slow for this one. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you're done, you're just going to select apply, and it's going to remove the cropped parts, and it's going to leave me with this, with the object still like the focus of the video. I think it is a little bit better when you select the fast one, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can use Auto Reframe. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!